Hello, this is Mako Akita. This time I'll be showing you what I bought at 3COINS. This time, there are many useful items perfect for travel, so I'll introduce them as I use them. Some items surprised me. Wow, even 3COINS sells this now, so I'll share them. So let's get started with this one. An automatic compression machine has been released. This costs 1,000 yen and lets you compress items automatically without a vacuum cleaner. That's what this product is like. Here is the main unit. Automatic compression machines like this are actually I always thought they were big, but the one from 3COINS, it's very compact and seemed easy to use. Recently, 3COINS even released suitcases, if I recall. It feels like they have almost everything now. Their evolution is amazing. In addition to the main unit, there's also an instruction manual. A charging cable is also included. You can charge it with a Type-C cable. To use it, just press this button. Such strong wind, like now it can suction powerfully. It says the battery capacity is 1,200 mAh and the suction pressure is 3 kPa. This is compatible with special compression bags, so I bought them together. These automatic compression bags work with vacuum cleaners and come in a set of 3 for 3,000 yen. I thought it would be convenient if it worked with various things, but it might be a product that can only be used with this. Here is the bag. In terms of size, it's actually quite large. It's roomy enough for thick winter knits and similar items. You could pack enough clothes for an overnight stay or even a 2-night, 3-day trip. That's how spacious it is. Like this, just a little. I think it's big enough to fit a light blanket as well. The pattern is a checkered design like this, and it has a logo on it. Alright, now I'd like to actually try using this. Since I have the chance, I'll try putting in a bulky knit sweater. Even after putting in a pretty thick knit, it's still about half empty. I'll try adding one more. Right now, I've put in 2 somewhat thick knit sweaters like this, but there's still plenty of room left. I'll zip it up here. It's securely closed. There's a valve attached here, so I'll open it. You can connect a compressor or a vacuum cleaner to this valve part. Attaching it lets you compress easily. Since we have it, I'll try this compressor. You set this here, and when you set it, you can twist it here to secure it. You don't just press it against the valve, you twist it to secure it in place. It's really stable. I was able to set it up like this. Now all I have to do is press this button in the middle. I'll try putting this on. Okay, turning the switch on. Okay, it's been shrunk. Close this cap. Wow, amazing. Look at this. It was compressed this easily, just like this. You can carry it around really compactly. Especially since winter clothes are so bulky, if you use this, you can pack them this compactly. The front is clear, so you can see the clothes inside at a glance, and the other side is gray. So if you're putting it in a suitcase, you can have this side facing up. That's fine. It's small enough to fit in your palm. When you want to use it, just open it like this. Air will fill it up like this, and your clothes will stay nice and fluffy. When you use regular bags and try to squeeze the air out yourself, sometimes you can't get all the air out. But with this, you can remove the air much more thoroughly than with just your hands. If you're interested, make sure to get one before they sell out. It's really convenient that you can remove the air without using a vacuum cleaner. Next, we have this. I bought a solution pouch. This is also a 1,000 yen item. Have you noticed that 3COINS has really increased their 1,000 yen products? Inside, it's a flat nylon pouch like this. If you take off the elastic, here's how it looks when opened. Just like this. This pouch has a zippered compartment with some depth, a mirror in the center, and a space on the other side to store makeup brushes. Since this pouch comes with a mirror, as long as you have this, when you're traveling, you can do your makeup right away. The mirror here is set in a way that you can slide it in and out, so it's removable. When you use it, you can stand the mirror up like this. The three-dimensional pouch has a double zipper and opens to the side. There's also a pocket on the lid side. I tried putting everything in like this. The makeup brushes, like this. You can fit everything from thin items to slightly thicker ones securely. There's a mirror, and since this cosmetic space has a gusset, it can hold a lot. It's big enough to fit all the cosmetics you need for a full makeup routine. I tried putting some slightly longer cosmetics in this pocket. This is what it looks like. You can open the pouch like this and do your makeup just as it is. You can easily do your makeup since everything is spread out and visible. It's convenient since you won't have to ask, "Where did I put that?" anymore. When you store it, you can fold it up and secure it with the elastic band from earlier. Please be careful, because if you tilt the mirror too much, it might come out. You can also tighten it according to the amount of cosmetics you have. The thin, lightweight fabric prevents bulk, so you can carry many cosmetics while staying compact. I think it's perfect for those who want to spread it out as much as possible and see everything when using it. This mirror makes things look a bit larger when you look from a distance, but you can see clearly when you're up close. So I think it's best to bring your face as close as possible when using it. Next is this one. It's a coin case with a coin holder. This one is a 500 yen item. It's like a pouch with a strap, like this. That's how it is. When you open this, it turns into a wallet like this. If you look at it in order, first, there's a coin case here. This transparent part is actually a pocket, so you can remove it and use it when needed. It's designed for Japanese yen, and it even shows how many coins of each denomination you can fit, so you can use it accordingly. The back side of the coin space is also a pocket, so I think you can put cards or other items in here as well. Also, there's a zippered pocket underneath here, so if you open this as well, you can put small items in here like this. It looks like you could even keep your keys in here too. You could also put any coins that didn't fit in this case in here. If you want to put cards or bills in here, this pocket is pretty spacious, so I think it would be fine to keep them here. Now, let's actually try putting them in. You can fit 4 500 yen coins and 5 100 yen coins. There's a silicone band on the side of the coin compartment, so even if you put just one coin in, it won't fall out. Even if you shake it like this, it's totally fine. Okay, I've put the coins in. With this, you can see at a glance where each coin is, so you don't have to fumble around. And while it's in your pouch, the coins won't move around inside, so you won't hear any jingling sounds either. I've put them in like this. Now I'll try putting the bills and cards into this pocket. They fit just fine. I thought this bottom part might be a bit small, but it seems like it's actually meant for bills. It said that bills and receipts would fit, and when I actually tried, they fit better than I expected. You can put tri-folded bills in like this. Try putting bills on the bottom and receipts on top. That could work too. And here, it can be fastened with Velcro. You can adjust it a bit with the string. You can wear it around your neck or sling it diagonally. Either way works. If you hang it like this, when you want to use it, you can just open it up like this and spread it out. You can easily take out coins or bills just like this. You can also use the zipper pocket like this. You can put cards in it, and receipts too, and when you want to close it, you just fasten it like this. Even if you shake it like this, it doesn't rattle. Also, I think it's really easy to use. When traveling abroad, you'll likely use foreign currency as your main money. Wouldn't it? I think you can also switch your wallet for Japan to this compact one. Besides this gray color, black was also available, so please choose the color you like. Next is this one. These are travel security socks. This item is priced at 500 yen. At first glance, these look like simple socks, but actually, they have a pocket with a zipper. You know, there really hasn't been anything like this, right? I thought, this is exactly what I've been wanting. When you travel abroad, your personal belongings tend to get targeted. But being able to hide things in your socks is really convenient, I thought. These socks are just the right length. When you open this zipper here, the pocket is just deep enough for your finger to fit perfectly. It's actually pretty spacious, so it looks like you could put important things like money, cards, or keys in it. Additionally, this is on both the left and right socks, so you can separate things, like using one for money and the other for valuables. In the photo, the zipper was on the outside. But if you want to keep it hidden, I think it would be fine to wear it the other way around, with the zipper on the inside like this, so it doesn't show. I'll try putting some bills in. A tri-folded bill fits perfectly inside, and cards like this also fit securely. Excuse me, I'm going to move your feet a little. I just tried them on, and I didn't feel any tightness at all. I can wear them without any problems. I think you can see a bump here in the shape of a card. Since it's on the top part of your foot, you don't notice it at all when you move your feet. When you wear tight pants like this, you can cover it up securely like this. So there's almost no chance of it being stolen. I don't think that's likely. However, with leggings like these, since the fabric is soft, inevitably, when it gets tight, I think the shape of the card might show through. So rather than wearing something too tight, I think wearing pants with a little bit of room makes it less noticeable. Many people wear wide leg pants now. If you go with that style, I don't think anything will show at all. And if you lift this up, you'll find bills inside. I was worried that bills might show through, so I bought the black one. But since it seems really convenient, now I want the white one too. I've heard many people use waist pouches under their clothes when traveling abroad, but when you go to a hot country, it can get pretty warm around your waist. And if you're wearing stylish clothes, don't you sometimes find it hard to wear them? There were times when I couldn't wear the clothes I wanted, or I was just really bothered by how hot it was. But with this, even though you still have to keep your passport around your waist, I think you can spread out your cards and money in these socks, so it might help reduce the bulkiness around your waist. The size is from 22 to 24.5 centimeters. These can be hand-washed. Socks with pockets seem like they should exist, but I've never seen them. So if you're interested, please check these out as well. Lastly, here it is. I bought these roll-type garbage bags with drawstrings. This is a pack of 30 bags, 20 liters each, and it costs 300 yen. Opening the top reveals this, allowing you to remove one bag at a time. Just pull it out. It's rolled up inside with dotted lines so you tear here. It becomes a simple flat bag like this. Since it has a string, even if you fill it up with trash, you just pull it. There's no need to tie it or anything. When you pull the string from this handle part, yes, just like this, you can easily tie it up. It also becomes a handle. Inside, it's rolled up like this, so you can take out one sheet at a time and use it. Even if your hand slips and you drop it, you don't have to worry about it falling apart. So I'll store it in the kitchen just like this. Even with the same 20-liter bags like this, if it comes with a string or you need to tie it yourself, the capacity varies, and overfilling makes it hard to tie shut. So having a string attached is convenient. Having a few of these bags with you when you travel is surprisingly convenient. For example, when you need to put your bag down outside, you can use them as a mat to prevent your bag from getting dirty. Also, although it might look a bit awkward, You can use it like this as a rain cover to protect your bag. Right now, not everything fits inside, but you can set it up like this, just like this. If you carry your backpack like this, on rainy days, even if you use an umbrella, you can prevent your bag from getting wet from the rain dripping down. It easily fits enough for an overnight trip, so I recommend it for travel. Thanks to everyone who already bought one. More people than I expected have purchased it this time, and some even bought 2 colors. Some use one for work and another for outings. Couples have even bought matching colors, which makes me happy. Thank you. This does have a water-repellent finish, but if you get caught in a downpour or heavy rain, you can use a plastic bag like this to cover it. It can also be used to cover not just backpacks, but important bags or Boston bags, and even as a rain cover when you're bringing souvenirs home. I think it's really convenient to have one on hand. If you tear it like this, it becomes compact, so you can just fold it up like this. If you keep it in your bag or suitcase, it'll really come in handy when you need it. This is sold in the kitchen section, so if you're interested, please check it out. So, today I introduced some items I bought at 3COINS. I shared a variety of useful travel goods. Some items are useful for both travel and daily life, so if anything interested you, try it out. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Well then, this was Mako Ikeda. Bye-bye.